This video is brought to you by the project MarTech LNG. That stands for MarTech LNG, Marine Competence, Technology and Knowledge Transfer for LNG in the South Baltic Sea region. The project is funded by the South Baltic Cross-Border Cooperation Program, Priority Entrepreneurial Development. MarTech LNG is recognized as flagship project in one of the priority areas of EU Strategy Baltic Sea region, Priority Area Ship. This area focuses on the development of green shipping in the Baltic Sea region through the development of the region as a model for implementing new environmentally friendly shipping technologies. The project is implemented by 8 partners from Lithuania, Poland, Germany, Denmark, and Sweden. It was also initiated in order to exploit the region's investment in energy independence. Poland and Lithuania have committed to investing in the 2007-2015 LNG infrastructure development and plan to invest more than 1.5 billion euros. The MarTech LNG project aims at establishing a liquefied natural gas value chain, which will enable the participation of South Baltic regional businesses in the infrastructure development and the utilization of LNG in projects related to shipping, energy, transport, and port loading. In the project implementation period, the structure of the regional LNG value chain was analyzed. A map of the business capacities alongside research into the LNG field was created. An expert database was also designed, which will allow businesses to obtain answers on technological, economic, safety, and environmental issues from more than 80 experts working both in and outside the region. The business network of 200 companies available for business partnerships, establishing LNG infrastructure and business models created. Within the framework of the project, a training program was implemented, which has helped regional businesses to gain the necessary knowledge, competencies, and technologies to pave the way for them to participate in LNG projects and to increase their competitiveness. Educational institutions should now seek to develop LNG-oriented training programs. Experts in regional ports should seek to acquire the necessary navigational and safety competencies. On the basis of LNG database, knowledge and competency training has allowed businesses, science, and other experts to obtain the information needed to help implement LNG infrastructure projects and to create LNG business models. In order to ensure energy independence and the development of a LNG infrastructure in the region, it is necessary to create profitable business models, which should ensure the demand and availability of LNG. To develop these LNG business models, the MT-LNG project was aimed at the initiation of business partnerships on the basis of arranged international business training and introductory visits. Within the framework of these events, more than 200 businesses were able to share the best practices and to discuss LNG services and products while establishing valuable business contacts. In order to stimulate business partnerships, during the project implementation, 3 public tenders were initiated. They are related to such areas as LNG small-scale bunkering and the development of large-scale terminals. This has helped to attract businesses to the project activities, implementing specific business options, and build sustainable business partnerships, which will allow for the future implementing of LNG infrastructure projects in the region. Energy independence and the new environmental standards, including the Baltic Sea Sulfur Emission Control Area Zone regulations, are a huge challenge for regional businesses and for society. The whole of MarTech LNG is to turn these challenges into business opportunities. Increasing the value and competitiveness of regional business would ensure the implementation of energy security and environmental protection provisions in the region, and would enable the provision of development global business solutions while realizing effective business models. If you want to be innovative, efficient, and environmentally friendly, go for LNG. Find more at www.golng.eu.